Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove Plaid from bank accounts in 2024. Of course, Plaid is a powerful tool that connects your bank accounts to various apps, but there may come a time when you want to just disconnect it. So I will walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure that you can easily unlink your bank accounts from Plaid, keeping your financial connections secure and manageable. So if you're ready to do so, let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go as example to this URL section, as you can see in here. And go and type as example Plaid, hit the enter button. You will be taken here. So you can click on this first link as example to take yourself into the home screen and main screen. So of course, if you have an account, just go and click on login right away. And if you don't, you'll need to go and click on get started instead. So click on login as example, and you'll be taken here where you can connect your account. As we said, if you don't have an account, click on sign up instead, and you'll be able to create an account. So normally, once you try to connect something to Plaid, you'll be normally taken here. I want to connect my bank account to Plaid, a powered app as example. Click on continue. Go to the consumer help center example. As you can see in here, they'll tell you as example, or I don't know, maybe connects. So just type as example connect. Maybe Cash App, let's just say, with Plaid. Example, here example, connect Cash App with Plaid. So I've connected my financial account to the app using Plaid. I already have a Plaid portal account? So example, you can see here. So no, example, you do not have. So how can I view and manage app connections made using Plaid? Example, you can view and manage like app connections. This is here where we can remove like Plaid from a bank account using Plaid portal. So we need to go to Plaid portal. With Plaid portal, you can see the type of data shared with each app. Disconnect app from your financial accounts anytime you want and delete the data stored in Plaid system. You can check, of course, here the Plaid portal section for our help center to learn more. So I guess, yeah, it's here, of course, to see about Plaid portal. Basically here, Plaid portal, of course, they'll take you to sign up into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, of course, and if you have an account, of course, you can simply just go and click on sign in to sign in into it. And of course, once you sign up, as we said, because we clicked on this, where is it? So yeah, on Plaid portal, sorry, I didn't want to go there. So once you click on Plaid portal, of course, from there, as we can see in here, we can go and manage the connection apps. And from there, we can disable like the connection. Of course, I'll access an article because I don't have an account on Plaid. I'll access an article and show you how to do it. So basically here, I didn't want to open any article before this video because I wanted to show you where to find it. So basically, go open your tab and type the ID of this video right away. So how to remove Plaid from bank accounts. Hit the enter button. You can find here a video, an example doing it that you can watch. Of course, I'll not play the video because of copyright and etc. For example, I can just show you if they logged in into their account to show you exactly where to do it. So yeah, normally it should be like in there and it should be like connection, manage connection somewhere. So yeah, I'm just not gonna play the video as I said before. So yeah, I want this. Let's just access those articles. For example, you'll need to log in, go to account, name of the financial institution, and click on delete from Plaid. As simple as that. As you can see, so you'll need to go and log into the accounts as we said before. Once you're logged in, click on accounts, then click on the name of the financial institution that you want to remove. Click on delete from Plaid and review the information that's about to happen that you'll delete all the data. Click on continue. Review the connected app and see if it's still in there. If it's not, congratulations. Example. You can, of course, then click on continue, type delete where prompt, and click on delete data from Plaid, and you should be good to go. So yeah, as simple as that. That's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.